time for another phenomenal Sky Bacon fireworks demo. Yes, and I said bacon. Hey, this one is called, look at this one here. It's called Sour Candy, and I love it, Blueberry. All right, so there's the caution. And look, here's that guy. I love this. This guy is great. You talk about attitude. I'm loving it. Check out his sneakers, man. Woohoo! Here's the demo. Blue star. Double crackling. Whistling. All right. Well, a little bit better than that. So, a little bit of a caution up here. And you guys know this, right? At least if you don't, you really should water down your fountains when they are done because they still can burn. But we love Sky Bacon fireworks here on the BBQ Rando Ranch. So, hey, let's check it out. Sour candy blueberry fountain. Off to the launch pad. Come on with me. Hop in the Jeep. Yeah. All right, we're at the launch pad. And, hey, you guys eat sour candy? Blueberry? Let's find out. Yeah? Wow, that was quick. BBQ